Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy. I'm here with a quick video, an exciting video. I won my first giveaway from Instagram. The person who sent me this package is Teeth and Tendrils. I will tag her below and let you check out her page. She makes great content. She makes great content. She does natural hair videos as well. So we're just gonna quickly get into the video. So I won the iNaturallyNappy Moisture Rich. I am super excited to try this product. She got me another bottle, well not another, but I won the Jamaica Black Castor Oil Tropic Isle Living. I love this stuff, so I'm super excited. I did not know what I was gonna win. That's the funny thing. I didn't know what I was winning, but I love that stuff. I always use it, so it was perfect to add to my stash, a refill. Then I had the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. Got me another one of these. I'm super excited. So now I have double, which means I'm super stoked to finally try it. I already have a small one, and it's like another one, so definitely. The Hibiscus Honey, well, the Eden Hibiscus Honey Hair Tonic. Yes, I hear so many good things about this product. And the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream, and the Nourishing Shore Conditioner. Yes, I've never tried these products, so I am super stoked to give you guys a review on it. Might as well, right? Just simple package say, okay, the conditioner, and this is the leave-in cream and how it feels in my hair. Quick styling video, yes. And the Afro G, the step 1 and step 2, the 2-step protein treatment and the balancing moisturizer. I've been hearing a lot about these products again lately. I don't know, I guess everybody just need a protein treatment, so it's been coming back up. Heard it's really good, so I'm thinking about giving it a try once I take these splits out. Super excited. I've always wanted to do an Apple G protein treatment, but because I had products that had protein in it already, I just assumed that it was gonna do the same thing, but I hear that it is a little bit more powerful, which gives me an extra more bounce, so I'm super excited to, you know, put some protein in my hair and see how that goes, and see if maybe that change the middle texture of my hair, because that's the looser texture versus the remaining of my hair, and maybe I could try this wash and go, so yay! So yes, this is the end of this video. I talked the entire time, really fast, very chippery. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video.